In this video, we are going to take one continuous time system and we'll check its properties. So system is given like this. So for this system, we have to check whether it is memoryless, causal, linear, and time invariant. So let's say one by one. First, so over here it is quite obvious that y of t is x square t is nothing but for any value of t, y of t depends only on the present input because there is no term involved over here saying it is a shifted signal. So I can say present output depends only on present input of a system. That means system does not require memory. Hence it is memoryless. And memoryless is also called as a static system. Sometimes they will use this word static and dynamic. So what conclusion we have drawn for the first property? It is a memoryless or static system. Once we know the first regarding the memory, second is quite easy because for a causal system it is obvious that all memoryless systems are causal. Because what causality is saying? If the system output depends on present and past values of system input, then the system is causal. So here it is just depend on a present input, hence obviously it becomes a causal system. Let's discuss the third property about linearity. System is y of t equal to x square t. To this system, let input is applied x1t, which will give the output y1t. As per the system equation, y1t is nothing but x1 square t. Equation number 1. One more input is x2t given to the system in order to obtain y2t, and y2t is x2 square t. Third input is x3, which is a linear combination of x1 and x2. It is given to a system in order to obtain the output y3t. As per the system equation, what will be y3? y3t will be nothing but x3t square. So y3t I will get, if I square the x3, it will be like this: a x1t plus b x2t, I'll get whole square. And if I solve this, it will be a square x1 square t plus b square x2 square t plus 2ab x1t x2t. This is equation number 3 we are obtained. Now from 1 and 2, it is obvious that x1 square t is nothing but y1t and x2 square t is nothing but y2t. So yes, I'm getting a substitution. Now I can replace this with a y1t and this to y2t. So in the end, I will get expression y3 as a square y1t plus b square y2t, and remaining part will be as it is 2ab x1t x2t. Meaning here it is obvious that the output which is I'm getting through a system by passing a linear combination of inputs is not equal to linear combinations of output, that is it is not equal to a y1t plus b y2t. So it's the most important equation and it is not satisfying the property of homogeneity and superposition, hence system is not linear, or you can say non-linear system. So this is about the linearity. Let's go to the time invariance. I have the system represented by y of t equal to x square t. To this system, let input is applied which is x1t in order to get output y1t, and y1t is nothing but x1 square t. This is equation number 1. Now time shifted version of input we need to apply, which is x2t, and I can represent that as x1 t minus t0. Now this particular input is applied to the system, so I will get output y2t which is nothing but x2 square t, and we know x2 is x1t minus t0, so y2t I am getting as x1 square t minus t0. Second equation. Now to check the time invariance property, in the first equation we need to replace t by t minus t0. So I will get another equation which is y1 t minus t0 equal to x1 square t minus t0. Now equation number 2 and 3 need to be same in order to have time invariance property. So equation number 2 is this and equation number 3 is this. Right hand side of both the equations are matching, hence I can say from 2 and 3 y1 t minus t0 equal to y2 means if the input is shifted by t0, output is also shifted by t0, hence I can say the system is time invariant. So as far as the conclusion goes, let's discuss about a given system. So given system, y of t is x square t is memoryless, is causal, but it is non-linear and time invariant. Here is the end of a problem. Thank you.